First time I am visiting the Srinagar, the railway line from Srinagar to Baramulla was sanctioned by me at a cost of 1,400 crores, which was declared as a national project. I wanted to see how the railway track has been laid and how the passenger facilities has been provided with my friend Mr. Sugata Srinivas Raju, myself, my private secretary Chandrasekhar and another private secretary. We have come. Now, what I wanted is